everyone, my name is Karis. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I do videos on fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. And today I am finally going to do a video over one of my most frequently asked questions, and that is, what mascara do I use? So almost every time I post an Instagram story, I have somebody slide up and ask me, oh my gosh, your lashes are so nice, what mascara do you use? So today I thought I would do a quick YouTube video on it because y'all, I seriously could not tell you enough on how much I love this mascara. So right now I don't have any on because I wanted you guys to see like a true before and after. So I'm going to apply the mascara on camera for you all. But this particular mascara that I've been using, I have been using it for a little over 2 years, and each tube that I've gotten has lasted me about 5 to 6 months, and I think that's pretty amazing. It's a little pricey. I think it's about $24. I usually either get it from Ulta or Sephora. I think you can get it on Amazon as well. I will for sure link it in the description down below. But it is completely worth the money because it lasts me like 5 months, and I wear mascara almost every day. I don't always put on face makeup, but I do wear mascara a lot. So I have told almost all of my friends about this mascara. I have one friend that just recently started using it and she loves it.
Guys, if you follow Karis on Instagram, you know that she talks about this stuff, or she has in the past. She's not lying. Whenever I saw her talk about it, I was like, okay, you just have long eyelashes, whatever, like that's why it works so well on you. But no, like this, I only had to use like a couple coats. I mean, usually if I want to get it at this point, I have to put a lot of coats on. But no.
So I'm going to move on to talking a little bit more about the mascara, and then I'm going to apply it and show you some tips and tricks on how I apply it to make it look even better. So if you want to figure out what I use, then keep on watching. So the mascara that I use is the BADgal Bang by Benefit. So this is what it looks like, if you guys can see that. First of all, I just think the packaging is just super cute. And this is what the wand looks like. It's really nice and thin. The bristles are nice and skinny. I really loved it. I used to use the Better Than Sex mascara, and the bristles were just like super thick, and I thought good mascaras always come with like thicker bristles, and so I never really actually used mascaras with this kind of bristles, and I actually like this so much better. It really gets in between your lashes nice, and it gives you just like such much better volume. Reading some descriptions on it on my laptop over here, it does add volume and length, which I love because a lot of mascaras either give you length or volume and not both, but this mascara really gives you both. It does also lift your lashes. This is so true. I don't curl my lashes. Now I do have naturally pretty curly lashes, but I've seen a lot of reviews of people who normally curl their lashes before applying their mascara, but then when they used this particular mascara, they didn't curl their lashes, and it looked really good and like lifted. The brush also has like a little bit of a curve on one side. You can't really tell on camera, and that little curve is supposed to help with the lifting of the lashes. It's also water resistant, which I love because if you decide to go swimming with it, which I have, it doesn't like run down your face or anything. However, I typically stay away from waterproof mascaras. So the Better Than Sex mascara comes in waterproof and regular, and I had the waterproof one at first, and it was so hard to wash off. It would make my eyelashes just like clump up together, and it just was not very good on my lashes, so I just stay away from waterproof mascaras. However, this is water resistant, yet at the same time it's so easy to wash off. And last, it is said that the mascara could last up to 36 hours, which is insane. I've never worn it for that long because I always wash my face before I go to bed. Which, speaking of washing my face, I have done a skincare routine video that is already uploaded. So after this, if you want to check that out, feel free to do so. I really do think it lasts a long time because I usually wear my makeup up to 8 hours a day and it doesn't get super flaky. Again, going back to the Better Than Sex mascara, I'm talking about that mascara a lot because it's another high quality mascara that a lot of people do like. That mascara flaked so bad. Like, by the end of the day, I felt like I was wearing it all over my face, not just my eyelashes. But this mascara does not flake, and it truly is really long lasting. So I just dip the wand into the tube, and then I get some mascara and just apply it on my lashes. I have noticed it kind of took me a little getting used to because this formula is a fairly wet formula, so it applies on fairly thick, so you kind of have to get used to it at first. And then I also like to do this different method where I apply the mascara on top of my lashes. This gives my lashes a lot more volume and length just because I'm coating it both on top and the bottom. And then I like to go through and make sure I get mascara on the very outer corner and the inner corner of my eyes just to make sure I get every single lash covered with the mascara. This just kind of makes like a huge difference, making sure the inner and the outer corner of your lashes are coated with mascara. Then this is what it looks like after one coat. That's it. I've only used one coat so far, and I can just tell such a huge difference already. So I can stop there if I wanted to, but I'm going to go ahead and put one more coat on. Also, I am really sorry. This is a really weird angle, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I am now going to go through and do the same thing to my bottom lashes. I just first apply it like normal, and then I go under the lashes and coat the mascara under my eyelashes as well as the top, just again to make sure that my lashes are getting nice and coated. And I also again like to go through and apply mascara on the very outer and the inner corner of my lashes, just making sure once again every single lash is nice and coated. So this is what it looks like once I've done one side. I seriously just cannot get over at like how much of a difference this mascara makes. Like, look at that. That's just insane. And then I went ahead and did the other side, and this is the final results. Like, y'all, I cannot say enough great things about this mascara. It gives me such great length. Even like bottom lashes are like super duper long. So yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend this mascara. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. Again, I seriously love this mascara. I would never recommend something I truly 100% did not believe in. If you do want to buy this mascara, I will have it linked in the description down below. Also, if you do end up buying this mascara, make sure you send me a message on Instagram and let me know. I would love to know who all ends up trying this mascara. I would love to know your opinion on it. But that is it for today. If you want to check out this video where I talk all about my very simple, super duper cheap skincare routine, then go ahead and click on that video. But that is it for today, and until next time, bye!